Using the Precinct Finder. What is the Precinct Finder? The Precinct Finder lists streets and address ranges and their corresponding polling locations. For voting purposes, cities are divided into one or more precincts. Voters are required to vote at the polling place specific to their address to ensure they vote for the correct offices. There are two versions of the Precinct Finder, one specific to the city of St. Paul, the other for all of Ramsey County. Why is a Precinct Finder needed? A Precinct Finder is provided for election judges to verify that all non-registered voters reside at addresses within the precinct and to direct voters at the wrong polling location to the correct precinct polling location. How do I use the Precinct Finder? To use the Precinct Finder, first, ask the voter for his street name and locate that street under the street address column. Numeric street names written as digits are listed first, followed by street names listed alphabetically. Each street name will have a range of house numbers listed beneath. Ask the voter for his house or apartment building number and locate it within one of these ranges. Some ranges might appear more than once because they are located on a boundary street between two precincts. As a result, houses on the odd side of the street may vote at a different location than houses on the even side of the street. Ranges that appear only once and contain addresses on both the odd and even side are located on streets that run through a precinct. Determine if the voter's house number falls in a range of odd numbers only, even numbers only, or both odd and even numbers. Once the correct line of the Precinct Finder is located, move to the Precinct Codename column and determine the precinct in which the voter must vote. If you have to direct the voter to another location, there is a polling place list at the front of the Precinct Finder, which lists the building name and address for each precinct. Use this information, along with the maps provided in the green box, to direct the voter to the correct location. Voters may use their smartphones to find the correct location. If a voter's address cannot be found in the Precinct Finder, ask the voter if the address provided is a non-residential or commercial address, such as the UPS store. Voters cannot register to vote at these type of addresses, even if the address is listed on the voter's driver's license. All commercial addresses are removed from the house ranges listed in the Precinct Finder. If the voter states that the address provided is residential, please call the elections hotline and staff can verify where the voter should vote. Once the election judge has used the Precinct Finder to establish that the non-registered voter is in the correct polling place, the voter can continue through the non-registered voter process.